Dude Range Day Live, now with 30% more Doug. I don't know if he's on screen. He is on screen.
I am on screen. Hello, hello, guys.
So, for those of you that already know me, I'm My Dude AZ. At this point, you guys should know Doug. So today, it's just Doug and I. We're out here, we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna run something similar to one of the stages from today's competition a little earlier. But we're gonna be doing some general practice, just having fun, working on some skills, running a handful of stages, just setting stuff up kind of how we want. We know who Doug is. Who's the dude in black? That's me. They wonder why I always dress in black. Why you never see bright colors on my back. Oh yeah, some good old Johnny Cash. And now YouTube's gonna flag that as copyrighted, watch.
You didn't have it quite right, so I don't know if they can do that or not.
I didn't have the guitar in there, and my singing voice is ass, so it's okay. I apologize for those of you that had to hear that. Here's what we got for the first stage that we're gonna run, and we're gonna run it with a couple of different guns. I hear a lot of people say that high points suck and high points are slow. I'm gonna prove you wrong on this stage, and I'm gonna run my high point. Watch it jam. Anyway, so what we've got for stage one here, so we're gonna start from here. Timer's gonna go beep. You're gonna turn, hit those 4, turn, hit that one. And then as you come around this corner here, 1, 2, 3 steel targets. I'm caught up on the wall there. You're gonna come up, shooter's box right here, and rescue the hostage. Simple enough, right? Shouldn't be too bad. You know what, Doug, do you care if I just run a quick warm-up?
Run a warm-up. I'll put my ears on.
All right, range is going hot. Here. So we're starting here, and go. All right, and I'm cleared. So it's a little more than 1 mag. I want to introduce you guys to a really cool tool. So I got introduced to this tool by a guy named Tommy earlier, and it's called a Speed Bees loader. This one specifically for Glock 17 mags. It's like using a little lever action to load your mags, and it's so much faster. This has been a game changer for me, especially because when I'm trying to help run my match, I don't have time to really load them the traditional way. It doesn't take that much longer, but it is noticeable. So this mag was completely empty, and it's already pretty much full. Yep, that's full. And this mag just needs a couple. But so look up Speed Bees. And if they make a mag loader for your pistol, I think they make a couple rifle mag loaders too. Speed Bees is awesome. And from my understanding, they're also a company out of Arizona. They did not sponsor me or pay me anything to say that. I am being completely genuine. I love this product so far, and I want to get more for some of my other stuff. All right, Doug, you remember the course of fire?
I think so. We got a couple over here, a couple over there, a couple there, da-da-da-da-da, and then a couple over there. All right.
Perfect. All right, go ahead and load and make ready. Okay.
We're doing from start here?
Yep. Foot on the black there, and then we'll get going. Okay. Doug, give me a nod when you're ready.
Ready.
Doug's ready. Stand by. .22 23. Did you clear?
Yeah, cleared.
All right, perfect. 22 23. Let's zoom out a little bit, and we'll get an idea on how his hits were. Down 9, so total time is going to be 31 23.
31 23. We're going to write it down.
There's a piece of jacket that was stuck in the paper target.
Oh, wow. From mine?
Yeah, it was stuck in the head of the alpha.
You know your action and fire?
Yep.
All right. You may load and make ready.
Okay. Gotta crack the neck. Okay. Ready.
Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
Oh! Give me a procedural.
Okay, and we got 1391.
Because I screwed up.
What
I
did you
stepped into the shooter's box before I
you
finished my
finished
steal.
that steal?
Yep.
All alphas over here.
All right, all alphas there.
We got alphas here.
All alpha. I got all the steal.
And you got alphas here.
And alphas there. The hostage did not get hit.
Whoops, I hit
Look
button.
at that. I can shoot.
So +5?
Yep, +5.
So you got 1891.
Huh?
1891.
1891. That was my total time. People will tell you the high point's slow. They'll tell you it's not good. If you genuinely believe that because you can't run yours fast or you have issues with it, you're just... Okay.
Shooter ready?
Yep, ready.
Stand by.
Oh, I got to do it with one mag. And we're clear.
We're clear. Go ahead and holster, drop the hand slide, holster,
I got to use empty mag.
and holster. All right. Got 2035.
So not too much slower than the Glock, actually. And that was... I haven't cleaned this thing in a while. And because I don't have a good mag holder for it, when I went to go reload, I dropped my extra mag. But let's see how bad my shots were, because I panicked when I lost my mag.
All right.
All right, let's start out over here. We'll have
over
Doug
here.
call him out.
All right. Oh, no. I already see it. Hostage.
Oh, no.
Alpha. Alphas. Alpha Charlie. Alphas.
So we got +7 so far.
+7.
I'll still say 20 seconds was impressive with a high point.
Alpha Charlie.
+9. I got all the steel. The real question is how did I do with this one?
Oh, wow. Luckily.
Both alphas.
Both alphas.
So what was that? That was 20.
You are at 20.
So
35.
35.
No, 20.35.
Oh, 20.3. So I was 29.35 total.
29.35
So
total.
29.35 total because I had a couple of not great shots versus the 13.9 with the Glock. Looks like we got some other people that are going to be shooting in the bay next to us.
All right.
Yeah, you're good. We're live on Twitch right now.
Oh, you're on Twitch?
Yeah.
How many live viewers?
We got 6 right now.
What up, family?
I was gonna say, are you guys shooting pistol?
Yeah.
You guys want to run a stage?
Dude, that would be so sick.
Do you mind being on Twitch?
Yeah, bro.
All right.
I'll embarrass myself in front of 6 people.
Hell yeah. Well, it's also gonna go up on YouTube later.
Oh, God. All right.
All right, so we got a couple of guys that just joined over here, and they're gonna join in and run the stage that we just did. Why not? All right, Doug, let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
All right, Doug's ready. Here we go. Stand by. Get the... All right, go ahead and unload, show clear. I see clear, slide forward, hammer down, holster. 21:51, raw time, 21:51. Let's go check his targets. So, Alpha, 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 Alpha Charlie, down 2.
Ooh, dang.
Alpha, Alpha, he got all the steel. Now it's the hostage. Let's see. Alpha, Alpha, he's only down 2.
Nice.
23:51 total time.
23:51.
Let me grab the timer. Are
Sweet.
you already set up to be able to run?
I'm ready.
All right. All right, Noah, give me a nod when you're ready to go. All right, shooters ready. Stand by. $13.10. Damn, dude. I think that's about what I ran with my
with the
17.
reload?
Yeah, with the reload. All right, let's score him out. So 13-10, guys. That was solid, man.
Oh, 2 C's, dude.
Alpha,
Oh, no.
Alpha, Charlie Delta,
Charlie,
Alpha, 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 Alpha. So
I can't believe
down
I freaking
5.
Charlie Delta from 2
Yeah.
yards.
It happens.
All right,
I
got
see.
Alpha Delta. You're so close to breaking the perf, but you're not
No,
quite
that's
there.
A D, bro. That's a D.
Yeah, so that's gonna be down 8. You got all the steel, but you saved the hostage with
did.
a double alpha. So 13-10, down 8, 21-10.
That's a hit factor score?
Yeah,
Hey, all right.
not bad at all, man.
I could have gone a little faster. That was rusty. That was rough. I didn't have my freaking dot for like the first 2 first 2 targets completely without a dot.
Yeah.
And I found it for the next 2.
There we go. How's it going, man? You cool with being live?
A little bit.
All right, Roger.
Nice to meet you. Philip.
Philip. All right.
Philip.
Philip,
Doug.
say hi to the chat. Chat, everyone say hi to Philip. Do you want to give this stage a try?
Yeah. So let's do it.
All right. Give me a nod when you're ready. All right, shooters ready. Stand by. All right, 1565.
Dang.
All right, let's go ahead and count them out.
Uh-oh.
You lost your light, sir.
Can you scoot it out before I
All right, so we've got Alpha Charlie. That's cutting the perf, we'll give it to him. So Alpha Charlie, so down 4. Charlie, Charlie. It's gonna be down 8. Alpha, Alpha. Alpha, Alpha, you got all the steel. Alpha Mike. 'Cause I'm pretty sure that's only 1 hole.
Yeah.
So down 8 plus 5. It's gonna be down 13.
That was fun.
1565, gonna be 2865 total time. Yeah, and you guys are more than welcome to run these with us as we set them up.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Ready.
All right, Doug is ready. Stand by. $20.65. I think we just need to get this man to switch over to a Glock. $20.65. All right, let me back out and we will get all of his alphas and charlies and deltas and whatnot. Let's go count them out. So he was only down 4 for a total of $24.65. All right, give me a nod when you're ready. Shooters ready, stand by. $8.26, holy shit. Let's check them.
I don't know how good it was. But I went fast.
Alpha Charlie.
I got...
Hold on, Doug. Alpha Charlie, so down
got
4. What do you got over there?
Alpha. Alpha Charlie. Alphas. Alpha Charlie.
Oh,
So
That's a
Oh,
Charlie.
that's a Charlie. You're
He
right,
had two
you're
more
right.
Charlies?
It looked better from over here.
So
Yep.
this is
Yep.
alpha right here.
Two
Yeah.
Charlies.
Yeah, this
So,
whole square is an alpha.
Total of 4 Charlies, so total time, raw time,
it-
8:26. Total
That
time,
counts as alpha, too, yeah.
16:26.
So
You doubled your time and penalties, yeah.
Yeah.
so usually
hey,
on
that's
the
how it goes.
perforations,
See, I'm still real slow over here.
It's all right. You want to try running it again?
Yeah, I'll go one more time.
All
As long as
right.
I beat him, I'll be happy.
All right. Give me a nod when you're ready.
Oh, okay. Ready.
All right, shooters ready. Stand by.
Mike!
10:27.
You missed the steal.
Did I? Oh, I did.
Yeah,
You missed the first steal.
you missed the still and you
Dang
proceed.
it.
You missed the still and you procedured. You also hit the hostage.
I see that now.
You don't got to worry about him anymore, though.
Killed in the streets.
So, Alpha, that's good stacking though. Alpha Charlie, so 2,
I don't know. I was trying to get only alpha.
6, double Charlie. So the problem with going for the headshot on that is the A zone is really small.
I was trying to be a little more.
Credit card.
Alpha. So we're at 6 right now. So you got a Delta mic on here and you hit the no. Hold on. So we got 6 right now. So procedural's 5, hostage is 5. So 10, 16, 21, 24. Ouch.
I don't want to.
And a raw time of 10:27, so 30:27.
Dang.
Ooh. That's all right. That's still faster than some of the guys we had today.